The suspected killer of UnitedHealthcare CEO Brian Thompson was back in a Pennsylvania court today as authorities in New York City worked to take him back there. Police arrested 26-year-old Luigi Mangione Monday in Pennsylvania, charging him with the murder in the shooting that happened on a busy Manhattan street last week. ABC's Rena Roy has the new developments.
26-year-old murder suspect Luigi Mangione is struggling with police officers as he was brought to a Pennsylvania court today for an extradition hearing, yelling out to the cameras.
And completely out of touch and it's an insult to the intelligence of the American people.
He faces murder charges in the shooting death of UnitedHealthcare CEO Brian Thompson. According to the New York arrest warrant, Mangione had written admissions about the crime with him when he was arrested at a McDonald's in Altoona, Pennsylvania Monday. We're learning Mangione considered the killing to be a symbolic takedown of UnitedHealthcare over perceived corruption and, quote, power games, according to a confidential assessment of the crime described to ABC News by the NYPD Intelligence Bureau. The assessment is based in part on the suspect's writings. Mangione allegedly described himself as the first to face UnitedHealthcare with such brutal honesty. Mangione's former roommate says he never spoke about violence.
He was absolutely a not violent person. As far as I could tell.
Sources tell us Mangione also wrote these parasites had it coming, and I do apologize for any strife and trauma, but it had to be done. Authorities now working to piece together his movements over the last 6 days, asking for the public's help in tracing his steps. The Altoona Police Department saying they're now facing threats in this case that's garnered widespread attention on social media.
This is clearly a very polarized case. We have received some threats against our officers in the building here. We've started investigating some threats against some citizens in our community.
There's also concerns about threats against healthcare executives and their families. A Colorado law enforcement bulletin obtained by ABC News warns this killing could be used as messaging and propaganda aimed at others who are unhappy with the insurance industry. Rena Roy, ABC News, New York.